What's up, everybody? Tay Whiteside here with Lift Dark Studios, and I'm sitting here in my office, and as some of you might know, me and my good friend Madison Madden and I are a team in the upcoming Celebrity VIP Dinner fundraiser for the Family Service of the Roanoke Valley charity that features a heavy focus on mental health and help for those that can't help themselves. This Thursday, October 8th, will be the Celebrity VIP Dinner virtual event, and there will be a live or silent auction as part of the event. I have decided to build something really cool for the auction, and being that my company Lift Dark Studios does metal fabrication, welding, and custom designs, I am going to take a little bit of inspiration from Pinterest and build a cool coffee table. So this is my idea. Well, this isn't my idea, this came from Pinterest, but I'm gonna replicate this. So we're gonna build a steel tube base, and then my dad, Mike Whiteside, over at Black Dog Salvage, is going to be building a walnut top, live edge walnut top to go on it. And coffee table height is usually like 18 or 20 inches tall. And I have like a day to build this. So time to work fast, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. It's gonna be awesome. Here we go. All right, and there we go. We got the bottom and top of the frame built. These will be basically stacked on top of each other with vertical members in each corner. I'm basically building a rectangular prism, or elongated cube, and then we'll make maybe some kind of feet, and then we'll make drill some holes in some tabs on the top so it can be screwed to the wooden top that Dad's building. And then we'll paint it black, probably a satin black. Look good with the walnut wood. So we're getting close, coming along nice. Let's keep going. And there it is. That is the base. I made a box, but we're not done yet. So I gotta make a way to mount the top to it, and then I might do something for feet. I might take some plates and make the feet come out a little more, because I don't want this thing to look skinny at the bottom. I don't want it to look top heavy. So yeah, that's where we're at. We're gonna keep going. Alrighty, and there we go. The fabrication is complete. Ended up putting these feet on there to make the bottom a bit wider, and it actually raises the frame off the ground a little bit, so it's more likely to sit flat on your floor. And yeah, so Dad just stopped by a minute ago. He said the top is drying, so he has it finished. So I'm gonna sand this thing a little bit, paint, and then we'll go to Black Dog, and you and I will see the top for the first time. So that'll be fun. Then we'll assemble it, and then you need to bid on it. So here we go, let's finish it up. right, and there it is after a nice coat of clear. Off to Black Dog to go pick up the top. All right, here we are, Black Dog Salvage. Let's go see if that top's ready. I'm excited. Yeah, I was hoping to find just some off-cast piece to reuse, but Dad decided to take it the extra mile for you and do a live edge. So let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that.
So here we got a piece of black walnut, and I pulled a piece that was a little bit of distress. This was like the twistiest part of the whole thing. And these are the drops from that. So this guy came.
Wow, look at the difference.
Yeah.
See, what good woodwork done, you come to the experts.
See right there?
Look at that.
That's where that
Oh, that's fun.
That cut off of. So you can see the contrast of what I did.
Clear coat is just so satisfying.
Yeah, and this one, anytime you get this is called a crotch. This is where branches went out, and you're always going to get a lot of these cathedrals and flames. And I mean, it's almost burl wood,
right?
Which is like a knot. It took about 3 hours to do this. So anyway,
all for you guys.
Yeah.
Was this the top?
This will be the top for your coffee.
All right, let's flip it over and I'll bring my base in.
All right.
I made it a little taller because I counted improperly.
That's all right.
Didn't account for this, but you know me, tall is good.
That was good. That's right.